If you're an HVAC business owner looking for a better way to manage your operations, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use Housecall Pro for HVAC businesses, giving you all the essentials you need to get started quickly and efficiently. Housecall Pro is an all-in-one software solution designed to streamline your HVAC business operations, saving you time, money, and effort. From scheduling to invoicing, it's built to simplify everything, so you can focus on what you do best, serving your customers. First up, Housecall Pro offers a powerful scheduling system that's perfect for HVAC businesses. With just a few clicks, you can book jobs, assign them to technicians, and ensure that your team's day is organized efficiently. The intuitive drag and drop feature makes rescheduling easy, so you can adapt to any last-minute changes without disrupting your workflow. But it's not just about scheduling. Housecall Pro also offers seamless customer management. You can keep track of every interaction, every service history, and every job with complete customer profiles. This helps you personalize your service, offer loyalty discounts, and always stay on top of follow-ups. Speaking of follow-ups, one of the key features for HVAC businesses is automatic reminders. Housecall Pro sends automatic appointment reminders to both you and your customers, reducing no-shows and improving customer satisfaction. It's a game changer, helping you stay on top of your schedule without manual effort. When it comes to invoicing and payments, Housecall Pro makes it super simple. You can generate invoices instantly after completing a job and even collect payments online through the app. No more chasing down checks or fumbling with paper forms. Everything can be done digitally, which speeds up your cash flow and keeps your finances organized. Another huge benefit for HVAC businesses is Housecall Pro's mobile app, which lets you manage everything from your phone. Whether you're on the job site or in the office, you can update schedules, invoice customers, and track job status in real time. This makes your business more agile and responsive, which is essential in the fast-paced world of HVAC services. Now, if you're worried about the learning curve, don't be. Housecall Pro is user-friendly and has tons of educational resources to get you up and running quickly. Plus, they have excellent customer support if you need help at any point. Finally, one of the best things about Housecall Pro is its flexibility. It integrates with various other tools you might already use for your HVAC business, like QuickBooks, Google Calendar, and more. This means you can keep everything in sync without switching between different platforms, making your workflow even more efficient. And here's the best part. If you want to try Housecall Pro for yourself, we've got an exclusive deal for you. You can sign up for a free trial using the link below and even get access to extra bonuses to make your experience even better. Don't miss out on this opportunity to see how Housecall Pro can transform your HVAC business. To recap, Housecall Pro is a comprehensive tool that can help you with scheduling, customer management, invoicing, payments, and so much more. Whether you're a one-man operation or running a full team, it's designed to make your life easier and your business more efficient. Don't forget to grab your free trial today using the link below and take your HVAC business to the next level with Housecall Pro.